Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about Python conditions. Python supports the usual logical conditions. Mathematics logical conditions: equal, not equal, less than or equal, greater than or equal to. In this cell, x equal 100, y equal 200. If y greater than x, print yes, y is greater than x. But take care, we have to leave here 4 spaces, not from the beginning. Run yes, y is greater than x. And also we can write like this, the same line. Print yes, y is greater than x. If x greater than y. Run, it's the same result. Booleans. Booleans represent one of 2 values, true or false. In this cell, x equal true. If x, print x is true. Run the cell. X is true because x equal to true. It's a Boolean value. X equal false. If x, print x is true. We will run here and see the result. No result, because it is not x. X is not true, it's false. We will see this example. X equal false. If x, print x is true. Else, print x is false. Here x is false, not true. It should be print x is false. We will run x is false. If we change here x to true and rerun, x is true. X equal 100, y equal 100. If x equal y, print x is equal to y. Else, print is not equal to y. We will run x is equal to y. X equal 200, y equal 200. If x equal y, print x is equal to y. Else, another condition, x greater than y, print yes, x is greater than y. Else, print yes, y is greater than else. We will run this cell. Here x 200, y 200, it's equal. X is equal to y, this statement. If we change x to 205 and run again, x is greater than y. This statement here, it's true. If we change x to 50 and rerun, yes, y is greater than x. This is statement. This nested. You can have if statements inside if statements. This is called a nested if statement. A equal 30. If A greater than 10, print A is greater than 10. If A greater than 20, print and also greater than 20. Else not greater than 20, but not greater than 20. We will run this cell and see the result. A is greater than 10 because A is 30. And also greater than 10. This statement is true. It's greater than 10. Greater than 20. Okay? If we change the value for A, for example, 15, and run again. A is greater than 10. Yes, because A is equal 15. If A greater than 20, no. Else, but not greater than 20. This statement. And or X equal 200, Y equal 300, Z equal 100. If X greater than Z, X 200, Z 100. This condition true. And Y greater than Z, Y 300, Z 100. It's true also. Print both conditions are true. X equal 90, Y equal 300, Z equal 100. If X greater than Z, 90 and 100, no. Y or Y greater than Z, Y 300 and Z 100. At least one of the conditions is true. Yes. Not two conditions, one only. This one. Y 300 and Z 100. Pass statement. Pass statement to avoid getting an error. A equal 10, P equal 20. If A greater than P, pass. And print end of job. End of job. I'm using Jupyter Notebook. If you haven't Python in your local computer, you can use Google Colab and run Python code without install Python in your local computer. And I will put this link for Jupyter Notebook in video description. And also I will put some important links. I hope it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in next video.